G'day you mob, welcome to this episode of Aussie English, the number one place for anyone and everyone wanting to learn Australian English. Today is another free episode of the slang series that I am doing on the podcast and on the YouTube channel. If you want the extra episode, the second episode that comes out each week, make sure that you sign up to the premium podcast, which you can check out above. Anyway, let's get into today's episode. So today is a little bit of an informal expression, banged up. Before I tell you what it means, I wonder if you can work it out. Okay, so when I married my wife, Kel, she was already banged up. And only 5 months after we were married, she gave birth to my son, Noah. So my wife had been banged up before the wedding. She was banged up and she gave birth to Noah only 5 months after we were married. So I think you get the idea now. If you are banged up, this is a somewhat informal Aussie slang way of saying that you are pregnant, that you are with child, that you are carrying a child, okay? And we also have the other expression, preggers, or maybe even prego in Australian English. I tend to avoid using these, especially around women that I don't know, because it is very informal. But if you've got a sense of humor and you know the person you're speaking with really well, you can probably say that they are preggers, or that they're banged up, or you could even say that they're up the duff. That's another one for you, up the duff. Australians obviously obsess over pregnant women and creating slang terms for them. So some example sentences. My sister was banged up twice, and she had 2 children, as was my wife. She was banged up in 2019 by me, I hope. Kidding, Kel, kidding. And then she was banged up again last year, and we had our daughter this year in March. So there you go, guys. That's about all there is to the expression banged up. You can obviously use preggers and up the duff as well. All 3 of these slang expressions that are used in Australian English are relatively specific to Australia. I don't think Americans or Brits would use these terms. Guys, if you're American or you're British, comment below and let me know. But they're also very informal, okay? So if you go to the doctor, you may want to just use the word pregnant instead of saying, I'm banged up, or, oh no, doctor, I've been banged up. I'm up the duff. I'm preggers. Okay? Anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. I'm Pete. This is Aussie English, and I'll see you next time. Peace.